This video is about the pronunciation of the Dutch sound, also called the schwa. It's the as in the word bus. My name is Anouk and I help expats to speak Dutch more confidently in everyday life, so that they feel more at home here in the Netherlands. It's important that you know when to pronounce the letter E as because this you can hardly hear it, but it has a very important grammatical function. For example, it can indicate the plural. Eén boek, twee boeken. Or the past tense. Ik praat is present tense. Ik praatte is the past tense, imperfectum. So if you want to know when to pronounce the letter E as keep on watching this video.
Dutch pronunciation. How to master the Dutch Schwa sound. December. In the word December, you see 3 E's, but they're all pronounced differently. The letter E can be pronounced as a short E or a long A in stressed syllables. The short E, as in pen, met, and the long A sound, as in been, week. In unstressed syllables, the letter E is always pronounced as a mute or a silent E, as in penne, lopen, blauwe. In the following sentence, you'll hear a lot of schwa sounds, the E. Zullen we een kopje koffie drinken? Note that the schwa is always unstressed. When you see the letter E at the end of a word, it's always pronounced as an E. When do you pronounce the letter E as E? In articles, de, het, een. In pronouns, in the weak or unstressed forms, je, ze, we, me. In plural verbs and in the infinitive form and plural nouns, you should also pronounce the letter E as E. Praten, boeken. It's essential that you pronounce the E sound, because one book is één boek and the plural is boeken, books. Nouns ending in A, AL, AM, AN, AR. You pronounce the letter E as E. Examples: postcode, tafel, bezem, jongen, vader. Also in prefixes be, ge, ver. Bedankt, genieten, verkopen. When you see suffixes with IG and LIJK, the spelling is very different from the pronunciation. So it's not ich and lijk, but you pronounce it as E. Examples: prettig, aardig, vorig. And the I is pronounced as E because it's unstressed in words like makkelijk, moeilijk, vriendelijk.
Mastering the Dutch schwa sound will improve your listening comprehension and your pronunciation. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't want to miss my next video.